Hi, good morning. Today we're going to somewhere. What? Andito sa akin. Ang pick-up time ay 7. Pero as usual, Pilipino kami. Late namin ng 5 minutes.
Hello. 7 to 7:15.
Sabi? Hindi pa pala late. Dito kami ngayon sa street ng Kosan. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga daming lasing dito ngayon, maga. Alas 7 ng maga, may mga nagiinom pa. So, ha?
This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Look, the McDonald's. Oh.
Yeah, yep.
So, pero dito yung police station. Yung police station. So, okay naman dito, safe naman. So, grabing ingay kagabi. Pero nung pumasok naman kami ng hotel, wala naman. So ngayon, 7 o'clock, ang daming lasing.
Why? No one look on the right side.
Hanggang dun sa magkabilang street.
Why?
Kaya na gumising ako ng maaga para bumili ng pagkain ng bata. Oh my God. Yung mga nakaupo sa daan, yung mga lasing.
McDonald's.
So, drive na kami papunta na
Waterfall.
about 3 hours drive. 2 first stop.
Madam, đỡ cần sát.
Yeah.
Now we can do.
Kanchanaburi.
I want to do the.
Yes. So we try to sort and to figure out what is going on. Right now. Kanina pa kami nakasakay sa van. We started early morning, a bit disappointed. But you know, it is what it is. We need to find ways to enjoy this day. Otherwise, umalis kami ng
Philippines.
Kosan Road ng alas 7. I think mag-11 na. Ang napuntahan pa lang namin is cementerio at yung bridge. Ayan, yung bridge na I don't think so nakasama sa tour package namin. Parang dinala kami doon kasi walang iba magdadala sa amin. Sinama muna kami doon and then nag-van transfer na kami ngayon. So ngayon pa lang hopefully mag-start yung trip talaga namin after 3 hours.
We're going to swim.
We're going to Erawan Falls. Where are we going, guys? Waterfalls. Ito na ba level 1? Sa level 2 daw tayo na. So, this is level 1 of the 7 falls. Ooh, butterfly.
Perfect naman. Ano mami, maganda di ba? Maganda. Okay. Nandito kami sa mababaw, look. But there is a small fish who's eating our feet. Look, he's biting. Look. No. Ako nga no, gusto mo? Let's go.
Don't try recording. Hello. We're going to